Today is the day. I'm gonna change the clutch. I'm going with Exedy Stage 0 RV6 Retro FK8 Flywheel. So yeah, I'm driving right now. It sucks when you live in a town with nothing around. I need to drive an hour just to leave my car with the mechanic. So I can do the clutch by myself, but I don't have all the tools. So I prefer to pay. The stock clutch is holding the power. I'm on Phearable Flex Fuel, the 2.5 tune. Like I said, the stock clutch is holding it. I never touched mat 3 yet because I think maybe the clutch is gonna slip. But for my mind, for my peace, I'm going to change it. So that's why I'm doing it today. Hopefully I can record for you guys. If not, I'll be doing the review after, and I'll let you know, guys. Good outside. Temps is going up 18 degrees, but yeah, everything is running good. 0.49 every time.
You trying to do anything specific?
The clutch is in.
I would do that now.
Stock clutch right here. Everything is going together now. Running is on, new clutch is on. Next, intake, battery. Wheels.
No.
Everything is on.
Random bloom, a bit like BF1. I can't believe that. I genuinely can't believe the first mortal swing.
Everything is in.
Yes, I agree. And we're going to have to go back past the team.
Need to put the cover. Wheels. Test.
Yeah, we could have.
Clutch is in. Now it's time for the alignment. Yep. Right, guys. Clutch is installed in the car. I've been driving the car for like an hour and a half. Difference I feel from stock and the aftermarket, I feel like it's way easier to drive the car with the aftermarket clutch. I don't know why, but it feels way easier. It feels almost the same, like the pressure. I'm doing the braking, 500 miles. I have already like 150 miles. Been driving around. I can't wait to go to the track. The weather is getting better here, so yeah, hopefully I can go to the track very soon to see. I'm super happy. Now the car is full balls on. Flex fuel kit, clutch, intake, front pipe, downpipe, exhaust, intercooler, char pipes, motor mount. Now the car is, like I said, full balls humps. Yeah, I had the draggy. If I finish the break-in, I can test, I can use the draggy. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I can use the draggy and see if the car improved from the 1.5 tune to the 2.5 flex fuel with the clutch. I can do that for you guys and see. Yeah, it's impressive. The stock clutch, it doesn't look bad at all. I can show you guys. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. That stock clutch for me never slipped. Like for me, it was like a champ. It works like a champ. Like never slip or anything. I changed it just because, for, you know, peace of mind. So that's the main reason I changed it. I think the next mod is gonna be the Brembo brakes, and then head studs, and that's it. Maybe get the Integra Type S. I don't wanna do like a big pull, but it feels good. Man, always with the AC on. Oh my god. Yeah. Next video is gonna be all the mods I have in the car, how much money I spent so far. Every time I think about it, my heart hurts because it's a lot of money. But if you love cars, you don't see how much money you spend. You just enjoy it, right? So yeah, that's gonna be my next video, guys. Peace.